Hey there, follow me through this video to see how I created my coffee table inspired by restoration hardware. I'm not the type to pay for expensive furniture because if I want to switch it up, I don't feel guilty about letting it go. I actually shopped everywhere and couldn't find a large low coffee table to my dimensions, so I decided one weekend to just make one. I'm by no means a carpenter or woodworker or anything like that, and as you can see, my table is not perfect. But overall, I'm happy how it turned out and it served its purpose. This is the wood that I used for the table, and Home Depot actually cut all the pieces for me because I don't even have a saw to cut this type of wood. I sanded all the corners of each wood logs to get rid of all the chipped pieces. All the materials needed for this project are from Home Depot, including the lumber wood. After aligning all the wood pieces together, what's crazy about this project is that I didn't measure anything. I kind of just eyeball everything. I used these corner braces with pretty thick screws to hold everything in place. This is the first design of the base of the table. As you can see from the beginning of the video, the final table does not really look like this. I also chose this paint color because I thought that it went well with my decor. I think any neutral color is a safe color. After I finished the table, I realized that the legs were not strong enough to hold the table weight, so I made modification to the legs. I removed the old legs and basically used post caps and put 2 bars across on the bottom, as you can see here, for the new legs. I would say the whole entire project cost me probably $300 max, but with furniture like this, I don't mind if it gets scratches or spills. We sit on the couch and put our feet up on it. The dogs run in circles around it. It's actually super heavy and sturdy. It was a short weekend project and I'm very happy how it turned out. And I hope that this video inspires you to make your own furniture.